One second. Okay, listen. First, want to discuss about this natural fiber. First, fiber means nothing but a cloth. Okay, fiber means nothing but a cloth or a thread. Okay, we have different meanings. Okay, fiber means simply a cloth or a thread. Natural fiber means a natural cloth. Art, I mean, synthetic means an artificial. Okay, synthetic means nothing but an artificial or man-made. Synthetic fiber, artificial fiber, or a man-made fiber. Okay, three are same only. Once again, I'm saying you synthetic fiber, man-made fiber, and next one is artificial fiber. Okay, the three meanings are same. Okay, and coming to the natural means which can obtain through the natural. Okay, or nature. Listen, the fibers which are obtaining from the nature. Okay, are simply the fibers which are obtaining from the plants and animals. What is that? The fibers which are obtaining from the plants and animals is known as natural fiber. The fibers which are obtaining from the plants and animals is known as natural fiber. Coming to the artificial fiber, nothing but the fibers which are obtaining from the man-made, or simply we can call as a man-made fiber is known as a synthetic fiber. Means we are preparing the fiber. Okay, that's we are calling man-made fiber. We are preparing that fiber. That's why we are calling man-made fiber. Not it. I mean, it does not obtain naturally from the plants and the animals. Okay, the fiber or the cloth which are obtaining from the nature means plants and animals is known as natural fiber, and the fibers which are obtaining from the man-made, nothing but depending upon the missionaries. Okay, missionaries is known as artificial fiber. Examples for the natural fiber. How do you know? Examples for the natural fiber. Okay, listen. First one is cotton. What is that? Cotton, which can obtaining from cotton plant, and silk, which was obtaining from the silk cocoons. Okay, silk cocoons. Already you know, and already you studied about this silk cocoons. Okay, and coming to the animals, wool, coming from the sheep and goats. Okay, and somewhere in I mean from the eggs also. Okay, eggs animals. Okay, and jute, coming from the jute plant. Listen, first example is cotton, which is obtaining from the plant, and jute. Jute is also, I mean, jute is also obtaining from the plant. Okay, nothing but a jute plant, gunny bags, and so on. So, okay, we are preparing from the jute bag. Okay, and coming to the next one. What is next one? From the animals. From the animals, I mean, what is that? From the animals, wool and wool and what about the next? Silk. I mean, from the silk cocoons. Okay, and from the ships. From the ships, we give. I mean, from the ships, goats and eggs. Okay, we will get wool, and from the silk cocoons, we will get silk. Okay, I already know the process. Okay, how the silk cocoons are turning into silk. Okay, just we are boiling the silk cocoons and we are turning into a fine wires. Okay, I mean fine thread. Okay, later we'll converting into a cloth, nothing but a silk cloth. Okay, and also the I mean wool. Just we are cutting the hair from the wool. I mean ships and the eggs. Okay, later we will wash it and we will dye it. Dye means color it. Okay, net we will send into another parts. Okay, already you read it. I mean already you studied it. Okay, and coming to the cotton is obtaining from the cotton plants. Simply the cotton balls. Okay, simply we are collecting the cotton plants. I mean cotton from the cotton plants, and we are sending to the ginning process. Next spinning process. Okay, ginning and spinning. Okay, already you know what is ginning and what is spinning. And coming to the next one. What is next one? Jute. Jute from the jute plants. Okay, jute plants. Nothing but we are preparing gunny bags and number of bags. Okay, and carpets and so on. So, and coming to the artificial fiber, define artificial fiber means simply the fibers which can obtain, okay, the fibers which can obtain from the where, simply not from the plants and animals, okay, not from the plants and animals. Listen one second. Listen, we will see later, okay. Once again, I'm saying you the fibers which are not obtaining from the plants and animals, nothing but the fibers which can made by man, nothing but we are preparing the fibers means nothing but it is not obtaining naturally, okay. Preparing by man means nothing but an artificial, okay. Artificial and synthetic both are same meaning, okay, and also man-made fibers. I mean the three names are same. I mean same meaning, okay. And examples for the you can ask. I mean, sir, what are the examples for the what is that? Synthetic fibers. First one is nylon. First one is not there. I mean number of there, okay. Nylon, polyester, and also terylene, and so on. So what is that? Nylon, polyester, terylene, and so on. So and rayon, okay. And number of I mean synthetic fibers are obtained, okay, due to the chemicals, due to the I mean what we are doing, we are preparing, okay, by using the chemicals and also the byproducts, okay. Later we will see how can the synthetic fibers are obtained and what I mean what chemicals we are using to prepare this synthetic fibers, okay. Any doubts regarding to this topic?